I want to welcome everyone back to another episode of Generational Investors Podcast. I'm the one, the only Coach Flo for those who are checking out this podcast for the first time. And if you are serious about your financial future, your financial freedom, getting out of debt, this is the channel for you. That's right. So do me a favor, continue to hit the thumbs up, hit the like, hit the subscribe, continue to share. I'm on all platforms, TikTok, of course, on YouTube. I'm on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. I like to talk money. And if you like to talk money, this is the channel for you. So today, for all my beginner investors, this is the segment that you want to check out. If you got a pen, if you got a pad, take some notes, because I'm dropping the set and forget it. I call these set and forget it type of investments that if you not want to be risky like myself or any other crypto user or any other individual stock investor, this is the one for you. So all my beginner investors, this one's for you. I'm going to share with you four. I'm going to talk about the three. Some people know about the three ETFs, let alone what are ETFs and where can you buy these ETFs. So I got a lot of information I want to share with you. So we're not going to waste no time. And if you stay to the end, I have a bonus one that I've started to invest in that's got brought to my attention through research. And so stay tuned towards the end. But the first thing I want to talk about, what is an index fund? That's right. What is an ETF? I'm glad you asked if you are new to the game. What is ETF, Coach Flo? The ETF is a type of investment fund that owns financial assets such as stocks, bonds, currencies, debt, future contracts, or commodities such as gold bars. The key for ETFs is that they provide diversification. That's right, compared to owning an individual stock. All right, compared to owning just one stock, you get a basket of stocks. So let's break this thing down. Diversification. Okay, what is diversification? I'm glad you asked that. Diversified is basically having your money in different baskets. And ETFs allow you to have your money in different baskets compared to having one stock. So your favorite stock, you say, what is Apple? You say it's NVIDIA. You say it's Tesla, Amazon, Google, and the list goes on. Well, these ETFs have percentage of those companies in that particular fund. So the first one, I want you to do your due diligence, of course, as always, this financial education, not financial advice. VTI, that's right, VTI is the Vanguard Total. Okay, this is the Vanguard Total stock. This one has, just like I've said, the Apple, it has Amazon, it has Tesla, but percentages of these stocks are in VTI. So I got a VTI for my son, and this is set and forget it. One of my set and forget it's. Basically, you put in $10, you keep on putting in $10, or if you want to go 20, if you want to go 50 or 100, like I said, you are the CEO in your own portfolio. So this one is a set and forget it. This is how you accumulate and build up that wealth, starting with that $100. And lo and behold, over time, you can push this thing over to 1,000. You can push this thing over to 50K and ultimately get into that $1 million portfolio, because that's what we all are pushing for. The next stock I want to talk about, or ETF, is QQQ. That's right, QQQ. This one right here is another one that tracks all technology. I have this one in my portfolio as well, because I'm very tech heavy. Most of my portfolio is tech heavy, and QQQ is in one of my other portfolios. So I have individual stocks as well as just QQQ by itself. So if you are in your middle age, if you are, like I said, the 40s, you're in the 50s, QQQ can work for you. Okay. If you are just getting toe wet, and if you are in the 20s and 30s, definitely QQQ can work for you, because you still have time. Okay. 20s and 30s, you still have time. And that time is compound interest, letting your money continue to compile over time. Moving on to the SPY. This is another one that tracks the S&P. Okay, the S&P. All right, all these different acronyms, go ahead and do your research. Okay, for those who are new to the stock game, definitely do your research. So the S&P, this is another one where if you want to diversify your portfolio and set and forget it, like I said, this is where you want to put in a set amount and just start to DCA, which is dollar cost average, whether you do it weekly, whether you do it monthly, whether you do it quarterly. It's up to you, however you want to grow your money, but the key is being consistent. And if you have stayed to this portion right here, this is a bonus stock that I've been investing in and got brought to my attention through research as well. The SPMO, okay? The SPMO. This one right here is also a good ETF to get your building up your wealth and get your feet wet, okay? So this one right here, the SPMO, this one tracks all the growth, okay? Not just the technology sector, but this is an ETF that tracks the stocks and companies that has a lot of growth. And it's typically, if you start small or you start investing in these growth stocks that really hasn't taken off, you got an opportunity and potential to really make some skyrocket money because they are at a low price, okay? Right at the time it's recording. So these stocks that you can diversify in, and like I said, just start small, which brings me to where can you find these stocks at? Okay, where do you find these stocks at? Or where can you start your investment journey? That's a better segue. Okay, Moo, Robinhood, of course, Fidelity. I got Fidelity, Webull, SoFi. All these are zero commission. That's right. You don't have to pay a dime. All you got to do is fill out your profile, set up an account, fund your account, whether it's $1, whether it's $5, whether it's $10, whether it's $20. Okay, you can start little and build over time to get to $1,000, over time to get to $10,000. You can get over time, get to $20,000, $50,000, and so forth. The goal is being consistent, okay, and use risk management, okay? Everybody's situation is different, but the best thing about the stock market, it don't discriminate. So whether you black, whether you white, whether you Hispanic, whether you Chinese, Indian, Middle Eastern, it doesn't even matter. The goal is you want to build up wealth. And if you want to do it for yourself, do it for the next generation, which I want to leave you with some words of encouragement and my devotion time. God put this on my heart and I want to share this with you. Galatians 6:9. And let us not be weary in well doing, for in due season we shall reap if we faint not. So no matter what season you're in right now, God will reward you if you do not give up. I want to encourage you, do not give up. I know life get hard. Stress and stressors, relationships come and go, jobs come and go, okay? You have, maybe you're struggling with mental illness, maybe you're struggling with a illness, a sickness. God will reward you. Do not give up. He has a plan. He has a future. He has a purpose. You might be wondering, why, God, why is all this happening? Just know that he has a plan. And whether you really, sometimes it might not make sense, but at the end of the day, do not give up because he rewards you. He will give you the strength. Just ask in your prayer time. Ask for the strength, ask for the patience, ask for the wisdom, and he will give it to you if you seek him. So if you have enjoyed this episode, smash the thumbs up, hit the like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments below Are you going to start investing in ETFs? Yes or no? Or haven't you started investing in ETFs? Have you started yet? Or you're on the way? Because like I said, now's the time to start investing in yourself. If you don't invest in yourself, who will? So if you have enjoyed this episode, smash the thumbs up and don't let no one tell you what you can or can't do. Just because you haven't seen it done before, it can happen through you. See you in the next one.